Aloha, y'all. Today I am presenting my Hawaiian Luau Party Tablescape in a challenge being hosted by Kel of If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It, Tammy of Me, Myself, and DIYing It, and Candy from DIY Designs by CCW. And we are creating tablescapes with a Hawaiian Luau theme. Now, I've been to Hawaii once, and it was one of the most wonderful trips I've ever had, although it was definitely for business at that time. But it was so much fun, and Hawaii is a beautiful place. Hawaiian Luau Tablescape. And if you'll watch to the end, you'll see why I had it inside instead of outside. I tried my best to make it as island-like and luau-like in the house. But anyway, the colors that I used are orange, yellow, green. I have a palm runner with gold paint on it. The bold palm trees in the middle of the table are actually candle holders, and I hot glued some flowers and some fern leaves on it. I was watching another YouTuber, and right now I can't think of her name, but she did this and I thought it was really cool. So if I can think of her name or I can find it, I'll link it in the playlist below. The little pineapples I got from Dollar Tree, as well as the infamous Dollar Tree vases. And these ones have large yellow and orange. I think they're some kind of daisy. And my signs say palm trees and ocean breeze. And the other one says salty air, surf and sands, and seaside. I have two wooden bowls that have fruit in them. I have two candlesticks with palm trees in the orange and yellow and green. And then my dough bowl has grapes and fruit and stuff in it. My wine glasses have palm trees and some grape clusters. The placemat is a capiche shell that I found a set of 4 at the thrift store, and they were $2.99 a piece. And these placemats run around $25 or $30 a piece, and I didn't know that, so that was a really good deal. I have orange and orange dinner plates and saucers, or appetizer plates, and then I have a really pretty bowl. They're in different colors. I have a set of 6. This kind of greenish, and then this turquoise bluish, looks like water, and then I also have 2 of a purple one, so it's 2 of each color, purple lavender kind of color. Then I have a wooden charger plate, black wooden charger plate, each one. Each of the place settings is the same, and then the Dollar Tree succulents in their little pots. And I did it on my kitchen island, which is wood, and I tried to do as much natural elements as possible, because whenever I think of a luau, it's usually on the beach, and they have a lot of natural elements incorporated into the tablescape. I have had the pleasure of actually going to a luau. Many years ago, I went to a nursing conference in Oahu, and it was such fun. I actually got up and kind of tried to do the hula. But anyway, this is my tablescape. I hope you guys like it. Oh, and the coasters are also wooden. And I'll show you each one individually, each item of the tablescape individually. Thank you guys for stopping by. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed my Hawaiian Luau tablescape. Please don't forget to stop by the host channel. Kel from If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. Candy from DIY Designs by CCW. And Tammy of Me, Myself, and DIYing It. And also check out the playlist for all the Hawaiian funness that we guys tried to give you. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And for my faithful followers, thank you for continuing to support me. You guys take care, be blessed, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Okay, so I had my table all set up, all pretty, all set up, and the wind blew my umbrella, and this is my table. Oh well, best laid plans.